Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix local disk space usage bar not showing here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first method that I could show you is you need to open your File Explorer. So in my case, my disk usage bar is completely showing and it's working fine. But in your case, if you don't see your usage bar here, just have to click this three dots, okay, and go with options. The moment you've click on it, you'd be able to open this folder options, okay. Here you need to click on restore defaults, okay, and move to view and then click on restore defaults. Okay, click on it and then click on apply and then okay. The moment you have restored it, to check if your usage bar is now showing. But let's see if it doesn't, and we need to close this window and then we need to move on to our next step. Okay, so our next step will be here at the bottom search bar. You need to type for regedit. The moment you've typed it, the best match, which is a system called Registry Editor, will appear. Please go with Run as administrator. Your user account control will ask you to say yes. The moment you have the click on it, just have to go with yes. Okay. So here at the Registry Editor window, you need to proceed to the left side of your screen and select for HKey underscore classes underscore root. Click the forward arrow, please, and this time you need to select any of these file folders and type D in your keyboard and you need to scroll down and look for drive. Okay. So just be keen on finding such since there are a bunch of folders listed here. So I can see it has this. Okay. In your case, if you don't have the style info value data, okay, I would recommend you to download such. Okay, so I'll be pasting this link in my description box below. Okay, so just have to copy it and download it in your Windows. And the moment you have downloaded it, just have to select your drive. Okay, click on File, please, and click on Import. Okay, the moment you have the click on Import, you need to proceed to your desktop and select the tile info that you have just downloaded and just have to click on Open. The moment you click on Open, this will appear. Just have to click on OK. So in my case, I'll be closing this window since I have already the tile info. Okay, in fact, it is being stated here. Okay, so just have to click on OK, and there you just have to paste it here. And once done, you need to close all of these file folders and check if your disk usage bar is now there. It's if it's not working. Okay. But let's say if it doesn't, then just have to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.